Hey guys, welcome. I'm Jay. This is smarthelping.com. So it's been a been a little bit inactive the past month or so compared to how I've been. Uh, Doing some things and traveling. But we're back here, and I wanted to do this is the last update. I actually planned this a couple weeks ago, but didn't get to it till now. So what it is, I want to change the multifamily model to do a version with only a single property. So this is one of the first multifamily models I built that's got rent rolls, debt options, a lot of assumptions for the pro forma, investor summaries, refi option, exit cap rate, all that stuff. And I added, so I made the default version have up to 4 properties that you can model, like if you're buying a portfolio of properties and you all have and you could have different assumptions for the capital structures of each one. um, but a lot of people will still like just to have a single property version and not all this extra. You can easily turn them on and off with these switches, but still, I've got requests for people to just want only inputs for one and clear out the rest of the model. So I'm going to do that. I'm actually going to do the update here on the video. And when I update Excel models, one of the easiest ways if you're taking stuff out is just start deleting, and then you know where the references were that are referencing those because there'll be ref errors, and it's easier to update the model that way. So we delete that. Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of ref errors here. We could delete all of these. So there's just gonna be one line for each of these sections. And this version and the 4 property version will be available in the same template download on the site. That is, let me just go here. It's under real estate. It'll be in this multifamily one for 45 bucks. So right now it's the 4 property version. That one will be included, but I'm also going to add the one I'm doing now, and it'll all be just one purchase. Let me switch back. Okay. And then we could delete all of these. So see, as you delete, you kind of things start to fix themselves, and you just follow the ref errors until there's no more. So here, delete all of this. We could delete. Oh, that's really loud. Oh my goodness. Delete P2 through 4. Cash flow. This does have an IRR hurdle, cash flow waterfall attached to it, but we only need the one. Okay, okay. So cash flow waterfall. Now that there's not so many, I'm going to relabel this pro forma, and I'm going to label this IR hurdle waterfall. Okay, we also don't need debt 2, 3, or 4, and we don't need refi 2, 3, or 4. So now this can just be called refi debt. Now this does have an interest only period option. Like here, you could do interest only through year 3. The refi you would define on the pro forma. I believe. Oh wait, no, we put on the global input. Here we go. Refi year. Let's say it's year 5, for example, and then you got interest only for maybe 1 year. So that all updates. Then you do your refi, and that's going to update the pro forma and everything else. Actually, so I think that's all we had to do. Oh wait, nope, we still have errors here. So, okay, so this is referencing all these other pro forma tabs that don't exist. We just delete that out. This is just a simple straight across reference. So we can just pull that over. Get our line style in here. Yeah, same as all of this, just referencing pro forma areas. I believe, let's see, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so up to, we can drag down up to utilities. And then this is a different reference. Okay, same here. And I'm not even sure if this is in, the position is in order, so I'm just did each one manually. Okay. So now you have a nice, clean reference here. Nice single property analysis. So we don't need, these don't exist anymore. There's our check, still looks good. We'll keep that in there. Making sure all the cash flows go. We got this kind of cash flow analysis for the LP and GP. This doesn't have to be used for an LP GP. It's just optional. If you don't have one, you could just put on here, you could say 100% of the funds are coming from the either the GP or LP. You could do 0 or 100 if you don't want it to be, you know, say 80-20. Let's say you just wanted to do only a GP operator. You do 0% there, and you go over to the IRR waterfall, and you would just put in 0 for all these. So it just splits all the cash. It just goes, oh wait, yeah, it just all goes, the total cash flow is just what the GP is getting. And there's no LP-GP distributions, it's just this. Oh wait, we actually kind of want, it actually might be better to zero out the, even though it says LP, you could just put 100% here. And then go here and just, we just say this is actually the GP. You could switch around the words. There we go. So then all the cash is just going to the one party. And now you still got your discounted cash flow intact. You just relabel this GP and just have that for an owner-operator funded deal. Alrighty, let me undo those updates or tests. Okay. So that looks good now. Yes, I guess so. Oh, let's update the visuals. So which one is all messed up? That. Okay, right. Property 2, obviously don't need property 4 and 3. We only have property 1. So let's, this is actually going to be the same consolidated and property 1 since there's only one property, so we just only need that. And that's the only visual we actually have here. We'll just make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so those are fixed. And I don't think there's any other issues, so that's the update. We will post this today and get it all set. Rent rules good. And let me know, guys. I love building new stuff. If you have comments or suggestions on anything else you want me to build, I specialize in any kind of financial model. Could be for startups or ongoing operations. Anything you want to see, I am happy to build out for the public, where you have assumptions that drive different sorts of financial reports and pro formas. Alrighty, like and subscribe. Oh, I do want to show you one thing on the site. So this will be updated on the multifamily model. I'm also going to updated on the bundle. So if we go back to the home page, real estate, you could get all, I've done real estate models for a lot of different things. Um, Condo, short-term rentals, assisted living, hotels, mixed use, mobile home parks, all sorts of stuff. I've also got some tools like cost segregation study, a cost basis calculator I just did, seller financing amortization schedule. This real estate model here up top is, I really like this one. It can be used for multifamily apartment buildings or self-storage. Uh, that's a great one. Anyway, you can get all these for $2.99. So one-time fee includes license to everything here and also everything that I ever add to it. And if you want to get even more fancy, you can get the, let's go back to the home page. You can get the all models bundle for $9.99 that includes everything I've built. It includes access to all feature templates. Whenever you want to refresh, I'll just reping you the download link and it will be updated. And then one purchase here equals one user license. Alrighty. See you guys on the next one. I'd say next week I'll probably have a new financial model to go for some type of business. Probably will fit into the industry specific bundle where I have all different, models for a bunch of different industries here. I do want, so far we've had one purchase of this daycare service facility model, and I am looking for customer feedback on the style because it is a little bit different. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it runs on only month numbers and not actual fiscal uh, time periods. So it's just monthly and annual periods where you define like the start month of things and the balance sheet, cash flow statement, and all of that's just based on monthly and annual periods instead of fiscal dates. And it was quite a big update for the financial statements to run like that. There's quite a bit of logic that I had to update. So I'm curious to see if this format, if you guys like it better. If so, I'll use it going forward. Otherwise, I'll use the ones where you can just pick the actual drop down dates like January, February, March, etc., and do it like that. Alrighty, we'll see what we come up with next week. Have a good one.